Hello everyone, it's Dan from Thomas Road Support here. In this video I'm going to take you through the process of building a page with Elementor within Melissa for WordPress. So to start with, just taking a look at the About Us example page you can see in the demo here. We've got a nice title, nice image at the top here, got some progress bars here, a bit of text and so on. All very simple, but it may not be apparent how this is made, so we're going to go through just quickly how to make such a thing right now. So to start with, I'm going to create a new page. And I'll give this a title of Dan's Demo. Now, one important thing, because we're going to be using Elementor Page Builder here, in the page template we want to choose Elementor Full Width. That'll give us just a nice full width blank canvas we can use to fill up with whatever blocks we want. So let's hit publish. Now that's done, I'll start editing with Elementor. Okay, so as you can see we've got our header here and all our content blocks we can choose from here. As you can see, it's a mix of regular ones that you get with the plugin and a few of our own custom ones. So to start with, I'm going to put in a page title. So let's grab the title area here and I'll just put there you go, I think that will do. I'll make this a nice H2. Oops. And I've got some nice blurb below that. So the way the page builder works, as you can see we've got no padding around that at the moment. What we can do, if we want to add some padding around the title area, like you see in the demo page, we can click on this box here to go to Edit Section. And under the Advanced tab, we can actually specify our own paddings. In this case, 100 top and bottom is what works well. So that's done. Looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and add an image below. So to start with, because we want this to be full width, we're going to add a section, and in the section settings here, for content width, we'll go full width. Now we also want to set this to be a minimum height so that it's at least 80% of the screen height in size. So to do this, we can go to the height options here, and the min height, we can choose three various things. We can have a pixel setting, so if you just want it to be 400 pixels high, that's fine, you can do that. But what we want is VH, which is viewport height. And we want this to be 80%, so we put in 80 here. You can see that section has grown accordingly, but just to make it really apparent, let's add an image as we want. Perfect. Now we've got even more settings here, so you can see there we've got our section here, but maybe we don't want the image to repeat like this. So what we can do is have the image set to cover, and that will have it stretch all the way over the div, so it will always be there no matter what size screen you're viewing it at. If you want to maybe move it to the center, we can do so here as well. All very straightforward and easy to use. So now we've got our image there. Let's go down a bit more and add a bit more content. So much like in the demo example, we had a bit of text on the left and some progress bars on the right. We'll go ahead and add that. So I've added a section with 2 columns in the settings, which is going to give things a bit of space to breathe by adding our 100 pixels of padding to the top and bottom. In the left here, I will put in some random text. That's probably a bit much, but you get the idea. And on the right, I'll put in some progress bars. Now we do have control of this here, so the default settings, although it looks quite good, we can change the title to be anything we want. You can have the percentage go up and down as we see fit. More crucially, in the style settings, we can actually change the colour of things like the bar, as you can see. I'll just go for something like green. You can choose the background colour for the bar as well, which is quite handy. We can even specify the text colour for the title as well. Really useful stuff. I'll just duplicate this a few times so you can see what I mean. There we go. Now finally I'm going to add one more section here, which will be one of our custom ones, and because this is an example page with pretty much random things on there, what we're going to do is pop in our portfolio posts into its own section here. We'll choose the layout. I think I'll stick with Berlin, it looks quite good. We'll choose all categories, so it displays 6 projects from all the categories. We'll hit update, and if we take a look at the page, you can see it right there. So as you can see, in just a few minutes we've managed to create a full page. We can keep adding content as we wish as well. It just shows you just how simple the page builder is. Okay, well if you have any problems with this, then do come see me over at support. Other than that, have fun with your theme and thanks for watching.